So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Real quick, TikTok might be banned, so hit up my link in bio to subscribe to my YouTube. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll reveal this picture of Dead Greg, what you've all been asking for, okay? It looks like 2018-19 new recipes to me. This is the 2018-19 new recipes bag. Oh God. We're making Tex-Mex Goulash. Tex-Mex Goulash. The recipe's pretty long, so feel free to pause the screen if you want to read it, and let's get into it. 1.5 ground meat. I wasn't sure what pa meant here, but I figured it was a way to measure the chili powder and the cumin and the tomat paste. I was over it by the time I got to the garlic, and then I added the wow. I let that cook down, and then it was time to make the pasta. The choice is between elbow and small shell. I went with elbow. Then it's queso sauce time, starting with an onion. Okay, this is what it's really for right here. Butter, and then he just writes olive. I put black olives on top later at the end in case that's what he meant, but it didn't make sense for right here, I thought. And then garlic. Then we add stock. I went with beef, and then cream sour, 2 cups, stir. And then he wants a pack of citrid Jack Monterey, 12 ounces, but you know, you guys seem to like it when I citrid my own cheese, so I decided to do that. I folded that in along with a dash of honey. 2 canned diced chilies. Maybe he meant to add to the noodles the queso sour, then add meat mix here, but either way, it all goes in one pot, and the next step is to mix mess. And then at some point I forgot to splash latte, so I did last. Whoops. Okay, add top spicy chips crushed, green ion, jalapeno slices. He put coriander ? At the top of the page, so I added cilantro, and olives in case he meant olives instead of olive oil. Let's see what the roommate thinks. Okay, this is Tex-Mex Goulash.
Ooh, I love goulash.
I only looked up what goulash was, when I was almost done with the recipe.
It's always got macaroni, and it's real, I don't know, saucy.
Apparently it's a Hungarian dish with meat and vegetables.
Really?
But
Hungarian.
the more American version looks more like this.
Potato chips?
Like macaroni. No, the potato chips is interesting though, huh?
Yeah, I like the crunch. It's kind of like, you throw potato chips in a sub.
It's not supposed to be part of the dish. It's more like your weird friend that wants to add something to your thing. Feels pretty run in the mill, meat and macaroni.
Yeah, but it's spicy. I like it.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could eat 40 bowls of this.
Yeah.
But it's not mind blowing. It's just that it's
it's not
meat,
best,
cheese, and macaroni.
Yeah, you can't really go too wrong with that.
All right, I can score on our brand new board.
Ooh.
3, 2, 1. So yeah,
Okay.
about the same.
That's about what it is.
Yeah.
7-7 average.
7-7. Good.
Good food.
Thanks, Greg. All right. Next time on Dead Greg's Recipes. Okay, this is I don't know that I